Good morning, everyone. We got Abdul here cleaning the back of the van, sliding 3-meter sheets right in the back here. So first we go to the job, we measure up, we see what we need, then we go to our local hardware store. Luckily this one was only 1 kilometer away, and we can actually slide our 3-meter sheets right through there, and we pick them up. From over here, we're going to get some cornice as well, and then we're going to head back to the job site and de-nail and throw them straight up. So our width of the garage that we're working in today is 3 meters, so we'll be getting 6 of these 3-meter ceiling sheets. Nice and cozy in here. So we're just going to move this one right here, Abdul. In the way. Alright, that'll be right. Get him going a bit sideways, slide it in a bit more in the bottom. Yeah. One more. We're going to tie it up somehow.
Egg, bacon, hash brown.
Lovely. Good little brekkie.
We got fruit, water, juice, music bars.
Keep it going. Losing control of this burger. Let's roll. Over here, bro. Here's where all the accessories, plastering and drywall accessories. Got all the angles and beads, shadow lines, cornice. People always ask why is the gap between the wall and the ceiling? Because this cornice goes on the top. Access panels. Adhesives. We use glue in Australia. Grab some of this rope. So these are 3.6 lengths of cornice, and if you put them diagonally you can fit them just right. So we'll tie them down, and we need 2 3-meter ones for the ends of this garage ceiling, so we'll get that. But that's good how we can fit them, isn't it? Alright, let's roll. You got all these, eh? You got the 6-inch too, yeah? That's the best blade. If you're about to learn drywall, this blade, that's 6-inch. That's a chisel scraper. I suppose it is one of them. Except not. It's not one of them. More like one of these, but try and get that hard brand. big jobs. For the big jobs. That's the best base coat. Takes ages to go off. And actually, any old lady off the street can come in here and get cheaper materials than what I can get at my trade department of my plasterboard supplier at CSR.
Good morning, team members.
Which
Shane,
is a shame. It's a
180.
shame.
Shane, 180.
Shame on
Thank you.
CSR for that. Can't even give me a good deal. So we just come here. Back to the job. Put our sheets here, 6 sheets. Go right across because this measurement is 3 meters. This is about 6.4. So first, take all the screws out. This is probably my favorite kind of job. The rubbish has already been taken away. It's easy sealing. The fixing is easy, the setting is easy. I'll pull out the flat boxes just for fun. We'll have to chip this cornice line. And when we put the new sheet on, new cornice, just so it's fresh, we may have to skim that. See how easy that comes up? We've got a hatch in the middle. So let's get started. Anything just like this. See this? Yeah?
Yeah.
So we'll screw that back up. So when we get the collated screw gun out, we'll go through it and we'll screw all of that up because we don't really want that loose. I was just mixing up some bit of cornice cement. This is for back blocking, so I'm cutting some strips over here. So I'm just cutting up back blocking strips. With a notch trowel, you coat them up. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4 for this one. just smaller than this distance here. You know, like that. Wedge it down. Half on, half off. And this is called back blocking. And it just holds the joint together a little better. Like that. Then we're ready to glue up.